Next day, make pizza. Pizza crust, cheese, pepperoni cheese, pizza sauce. Okay, let's do it.
We're gonna pour the sauce on the pizza. And you're just gonna rub it around.
Okay. Can I do it? My cheese and pizza. I take open. Wow, so pretty. I want to play. Oops. Okay. I want cheese. Okay. I need to put every side. Okay. Okay. Put right there. Okay. Put right there, pizza. Okay. And put right there. Okay. Put it right there. Okay.
Is that it?
Almost. Pizza, pizza.
Good job.
Cook 15 minutes. Ta-da!
And there's our pizza.
Oh, pizza! Now eat it. Mm.
So what'd you think?
I love it. See you next time. We're cooking kind.